Stop whatever you're doing right now, just pause it for a second because OpenArt just went completely free. And I'm not talking about some limited free trials or something. It's actually 20,000 credits dropped into your account just for signing up with your Gmail account. And yes, you get access to every single premium model on the platform without paying a single dollar. And here's the part that most people don't know yet. You can do this with multiple accounts, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this right now. So just stay with me for the next 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so open the OpenArt on Google. Once you're inside there, you have to simply first log in. So let me just log into the account. You can use any account. So I'm gonna use any one of those, I think. All right, I'm gonna go with this one. All right, I'm inside the OpenArt, and see, we always get like 10 credits or 15 credits or 20 credits depending on the different users. Okay, so we have got this 10 credits. Now I'm gonna open up the special link which is giving you the 20,000 credits. Let me just do that. So as you can see here, this is our claim that we have to claim this. If I just click on claim, if it goes, voila. Okay, now this is 20,000 credits that we are seeing here. This is not fake. I mean, this is completely real. Okay, let me show you. Claim credits. Boom. As you can see here, we just got 20,000 credits in our account. You can just see here. Let me just open up the account. Let me just refresh this page. I'm gonna go back to the OpenArt page here. Let me just refresh this. Here we go, 20,000. This is insane. Now you can create I won't say unlimited. You can create like a lot of videos. I mean, I have no words. I mean, I just found out and I thought this is fake, so I thought like let's give it a shot. So I'm recording this right now the moment I find it. Okay, so I'm gonna upload the video like very soon, like right now, and then because this offer might be over very soon here. All right, so now let's just go ahead and make some videos and see if it's working or not. So let's just go to the videos, and here we go. We're gonna be selecting the model which is Sedans 2.0, which is the best model so far as of now. I'm gonna go with the text with the reference. Okay, Sedans 2.0 here. We need to upload an image, and I think we don't. I don't want to do that, but I'm just simply gonna just paste the text. That's a prompt for me. And then we need an audio on. The video will be about 16:9 ratio. Will be about like, let's just go for 10 seconds. I think yes, 10 seconds. The mode will be like normal, which is the pro one, and the fast one we'll go with the normal one. And then we are going to generate this video, and then it's gonna be in the queue and it's gonna start generating the video. Well, the estimated time shows 30 minutes because I think we are on the free account and these are the trial credits that they are offering. So yeah, we need to wait for this, but this is free. We can test out the this, and yeah, I think so it's working. Let's try to do one more thing here as well. Well, as per the seconds, well, let's see how much time it takes. And as far as it says 30 minutes, well, I think yeah, we need to come back after 30 minutes. But let's just try to create an image using GPT-2. That's this one here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just drop a prompt. Okay, let's try to paste the same prompt in here and see what will it generate. So I'm gonna be generating the 16:9 1K, and quality will be I think the fastest one will go for now. We'll create one image only for 5 credits. It hit generate, and yeah, let's just go. And it's also saying 10 minutes. So looks like we can do nothing about it, but it's free. It's 20,000 credits for free that you can use in different accounts. They are just providing, OpenArt is providing free trial credits to every single account. I don't know how long this is gonna last. So take this advantage and use your accounts, get them credits. You can use multiple accounts, depends on you. So yeah, I think that's it for the video, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. And I'm gonna be dropping the new banger one Yeah, check this out. We just got the video, and here, oh, so the photo. This is basically the photo, the video that we are going to generate, because it's the same prompt. You may have seen online the videos, you know, like this girl is, you know, like having some, you know, this, she's eating something, and then after that she is, you know, walking in the stadium or something, right? So that was the video that we are going to generate. So once it's finished, I'm gonna show you to you what the video is all about. And yeah, I think that's it for the video, and leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and that would be much appreciated.